Hi friends, this is Krishnakumar Balakrishnan from Equity FX. Today we will make an analysis on Nifty, what happened Nifty last week. We will analyze Nifty from the retracement point of view, from the retest point of view. If you like my video, please subscribe it, please share it with your friends, and I earnestly looking for your support.
Friends, have a look on this chart. This is a chart of dollar index, which can play a critical role in Nifty movement, whether it is upward or downward. So what you can see is this dollar index is coming down for the last 2 months, and it touched this resistance actually. Okay, touched this resistance here. Then if you see this is touched the resistance and cross, it made a breakout over here, and it started moving further. This is further movement of this chart. So what happened means we can see the nearby resistance zone. This is a resistance zone. So we can draw a line over there. And this is supposed to touch over here. Then a retrace a bit, something around this level. Or maybe up to this level. We don't know what is going to happen. And from there it may consolidate or it may again go up. Okay. That's something related with this chart, this dollar index. So what happens when dollar index rises with the Nifty? We just compare with the Nifty. So we see what happens now. See, when dollar is coming down, Nifty is moving up. Understand? Dollar is coming down, Nifty is moving up. Dollar is going up. What can happen in Nifty is a question. Nifty will be in pressure beyond doubt, at least for short time. That's our assessment. Then we will move to Nifty 50. How Nifty 50 has behaved so far.
Friends, have you analyzed the Nifty movement last 3-4 days? Quite interesting. We will just make an analysis from a different perspective point of view. First finding is that Nifty has two very close breakout zones. First one closed on 15.33322. Other was closed on 15.420, something around 100 points gap between two breakout zones. Very close one, very approximate, and it gave a massive breakout from there. It touched something closer to 16,000 points, 15.90, 15. I think it touched something around 15.901. Then it raised back. So what we have found first is that Nifty has moved from this breakout zone, it went up and it came back to the previous breakout zone. This is known as retesting. We can see most of the stocks, many of the stocks, in fact, once it undergoes a breakout, then it goes for further upward, and one day it comes down to the previous breakout zone. This is known as retesting. So normally what happens during retesting? Normally what happens means stock will go up, it will come down to some level, either this level or this level. It consolidates, then it finally moves up. That is a normal case of retesting. Okay. So here what happened means something different. Nifty has retested this zone, and interestingly what happened means it came down to 15,440, 15,450. Then from there it has got a massive support from the buyers actually, because this is the retesting zone. Nifty went up something around 200 points from there, 230 points from there actually. And that's the current scenario. So we will analyze in different perspective point of view, from the Fibonacci point of view, how this Fibonacci has supported the Nifty. So we'll take first breakout point, Fibonacci level. This is a Fib level actually. So I will make it more closer to you so that you can watch it more interestingly. In fact, look at this first candle. This is the first candle, and where it has taken support from the previous breakout zone, something around this level. That means 0.236. That means the candle on 16 June was supported by Fibonacci from the previous breakout zone. That means in not the mid breakout zone, the previous breakout zone, and Nifty very safely landed at 0.3236 Fib level. Look at what happened with the next day candle actually. Again, we'll take Fib from the previous breakout zone. See, this is the previous breakout zone. See, you work out this, A beautifully Nifty to support from 0.5 Fibonacci level. Beautiful support it has given. And yesterday's candle again same level. Nifty has taken support from the 0.786. And all these three happened from the previous, not from the immediate breakout zone, the previous breakout zone. That means what? It's very simple to understand that if Nifty comes down this zone, this level, actually this level will give amazing support. Nifty will be under pressure once it's moved down from this level actually. Understand? So this level is important because that's immediate breakout zone, but this level is also more important compared to this level because it has given beautiful Fibonacci support from this level. The whole Nifty has taken support from the previous breakout zone on this one. It's an interesting point I have found it in the Nifty. You make analysis on given end actually, and if you make a lower time frame analysis, that's on 2 hour analysis, we'll see what is happening in 2 hour in Nifty. So what we'll do, we'll draw a trend line from there actually. So this is a trend line. In fact, we'll draw a trend line. Look at this. It has been giving continuous support of the trend line in lower time frame analysis. Nifty fall down from the trend line, in fact, and this was the biggest candle yesterday. That means retest candle actually. But the retest is over. Once Nifty has taken support from 0.786 fib level, compared to the not immediate breakout zone, previous breakout zone, this has taken, that zone has given beautiful, amazing support, and Nifty is trying to go back to its previous trend line. It is trying to come near to this previous trend line area. In fact, this looks very interesting for me. In fact, and see what happened means the low has been totally collapsed here. This is a continuous low. The low has been continuously collapsed from creating higher low, higher low, higher low, higher lows. Nifty started creating lower lows actually, but it did not sustain. Lower low has been completed from this level. Nifty started moving up, and we'll see. It will be quite interesting to watch how Nifty is going to respond when it comes to this level actually. But there are certain words of cautions because dollar index is not that much supportive. It is going higher. The US Fed department's stand is a bit hawkish. There is nothing great to add upon this level to move up. In fact, the corona is almost over. Second wave is almost over. So that news anyway already adjusted in the Nifty price and Nifty movement. So there is nothing great to move up to improve the momentum, and there is nothing that much bad to keep it below 15,000. In fact, so that's a Nifty's analysis. I personally feel that Nifty will consolidate something around this area. It may try to go up. It has already tried to go up, but some sort of consolidation I personally feel. In fact, here and there 200-300 points consolidation I personally feel in Nifty during the coming weeks. Once it consolidates, once the consolidation gets over, then it will definitely depend upon the global cues, how the US economy, the US stock market is going to respond to Fed's a bit hawkish stand, how they are going to rebalance the whole structure. Definitely that will have a great impact upon the Nifty.
If you like my video, please subscribe it, please share it with your friends, and I earnestly looking for your support. Thank you so much.